Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how Trim can help to negotiate cable and internet bills. You want to reduce your cable or internet bill? Well, Trim can help to negotiate better rates with your service provider, which ends up saving you money each month. Let me show you how it's done. First, start by opening the Trim app and logging into your account using your credentials. And then from the home screen, you're going to tap on the bills or bill negotiations section. This is where you can manage all of your bill negotiations requests. Here you're going to look for the negotiate cable or internet bills option and then tap on it. And then Trim will guide you through selecting your cable or internet provider from a list of supported services. Providers like Comcast, AT&T, and many others are all available. Once you've selected your provider, Trim will ask you to provide your account details such as the account number and the plan that you currently subscribe to. You might also be asked for recent billing information, to help with the negotiation. After submitting your details, Trim team will start reaching out to your service providers on your behalf, looking for opportunities to secure a discount or promotional pricing or just better plan options. You're going to be notified once the negotiation is complete, and if it's successful, you're going to see the new lower rate reflected on your bill. And that's it. You've set up a request to lower your cable or internet bills through Trim. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay off credit card debt using Trim. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and start saving on your monthly bills. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.